Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn some important comments, but you don't have to control them at the moment, we will learn them later. Okay, let's open the file. Offset curve and orient objects, you can download files from our website. Okay, let's do the first practice. How can we create the curved lines like this one? I don't think you want to draw some one by one, right? It is not accurate and with too much time. Then how can we do it? Let's go to the curve tools. This is edit curve tools. There's a command named offset curve. Left click it and select our line and we can draw it. Let us try it again. Click it. Select the line, read your command bar. We can input distance here. Maybe we put 1 and you can choose other options too. Okay, click it and right click to repeat the command. Right click and click it, cool, right click again. Select it, right click again, because I repeat this line twice, so delete one. Let's go back to the perspective view. You will find this is a solid volume. Cool, how can we create these lines to solid volumes? Remember, in Rhino, we usually draw lines first and then create surface, then build our surface to a solid volume. Cool, then we do a surface first. Use the surface from planar curves. Find your surface creation tools from this triangle. And we go to the second command, planar surface. You can input planar surface here. Planar surface. And we select all of the curved lines, press enter. Or you can fold it back and we try this one, click it, select all of the curved lines, press enter, same result because it is same commands we used. We tap it or click it, okay? Select all of the surface and then go to the perspective view and we use our gumball. Hold this blue circle button, not the arrow, the circle button. Then you will find we create our solid volumes. If we select the arrow and hold it, drag it, you will find we use the move command. Okay, cool. Let us have a look what we learned. The first one, we used offset curve lines. From here, offset curve lines. The second one is create a surface, planar surface. The third one is the gumball. We drag the blue circle to create a solid volume. Guys, have a practice. Then we do the next one. Cool, guys, welcome back. And then let's do the next practice. The water cube. This one. A very famous gym located in Beijing. It's a swimming gym. I will teach you how to do this facade later. We only learn how to put these objects back here. In this tutorial, go to find the transform tools here. You see, transform, and there are many useful commands. The first one is move, soft edit curve, copy, rotate, scale, mirror, and orient objects. We only learn this in this tutorial. And I will teach you all of these commands later by different examples. Click orient object and left click is 2 points, right click is 3 points. I just left click it and read your command bar. Select objects to orient, right? Press enter And the first reference point is here. No, let me do it again. Select object, press enter, the first reference and the second reference, first reference, second reference. Right click to repeat the comment. With your comment bar, select your arrange object, press enter, the first point, second point, first point, second point. Cool. You can practice one more. And let us have a look at this. I have already scaled them down. How can we put these objects back? Let us have a look. We still choose Orient Object 2 points. Click it, press enter. And then we choose Scale, yes. And 3D, that's the first point. Oh, let me do it again. Because I choose the wrong point. It is not corner point. We should choose exactly the corner point. Select object to arrange. This one, press enter. Already 3D scale, yes. Scale 3D, okay, cool. First point is this point. The second point is here. And let us find our target points. You can read your comment bar. First point and second point. Let us have a look what's wrong with it. We choose the wrong point, I think. Do it again, scale 3D, yes. And then first point, second point. First point, second point. Cool. We create a right one. And let us do it again. Right click. This one, press enter. First point, second point. First point, second point. Cool. When you choose scale, the objects will scale automatically. Okay. Let us do the last two objects. As you see, there is an angle. It's not flat objects, right? If we still use 2 points orient objects, what will happen? This first one, press enter, let us try. First point and second point. Cool. First point, second point. You will see the angle is not right because 2 points cannot make a plane. The plane should at least have 3 points. Then let us try 3 points orient objects. Right click, not left click again. We need to right click it. Right click and first point, second point, and the third point. First point, second point, the third point. Cool. Let us do another one. Okay, press enter. First point, second point, and the third point. Here is it. First point, second point, and the third point. Great. This is the end of our tutorial. Practice, guys. Thank you for watching.